I'm keeping an eye on some of these showers here in eastern Pennsylvania. Seem to be falling apart as they get into Jersey, but it may be enough for a little drizzle. 71 at Central Park, Newark at 73. We're down to 61 in Poughkeepsie as well as Sussex. Monticello, you've dipped into the 50s right now, near 70 in Merrick. Again, not much showing up on the radar. Even down the pipeline, we're seeing just a few spotty showers through central PA. So for today, it's more about just how gray it stays. And I'm keeping an eye on some of the visibility here, looking into Nassau County. So far, so good as fog, but I'll keep an eye on that. By 1 o'clock, 76 degrees with cooler conditions, and that is the case through this evening. Nearly steady temperatures. By 10 o'clock, 70 degrees. The rain chances really pick up as we head into tomorrow. So I'll break that down coming up in just a bit. Want to break down what your morning commute looks like, of course. And Adele, what are you watching?
I've actually got some good news. We're starting to see some construction clear out.
Radar picture, keeping an eye on what is amounting to a few sprinkles across eastern Pennsylvania. We're at 64 in Clinton, 70 in Bridgeport and Merrick, 71 in the city. Newark now at 73. And I'm keeping an eye on any fog. It certainly looks like it could be reduced visibility in some spots. This is looking into Nassau County. You definitely get a sense of some of that low clouds. So generally gray, an east wind keeping us on the cooler side too. 76 degrees at noontime, 74 by 5 p.m. and still just mainly gray, cloudy skies through 10 o'clock. Temperatures near 70 degrees. It will be this time tomorrow morning that we'll have some showers to track. So I'll have more on that in a second. Let's get you out the door and grabbing the keys or whatever else to get you out the door. Adele, what's slowing us down?
We've got a couple things going on, so anyone that is
skies today for the beaches and down the shore. It's that east wind that's certainly not helping. An east flow tends to keep us a little muggier and those skies grayer for a little bit longer, and that's what we're finding right now on the radar and satellite picture. Not much rain though, a few sprinkles through eastern Pennsylvania. We've got 64 in Clinton now, 70 at Merrick, 71 at Central Park and 73 at Newark. So temperature wise, not too much warmer than we are right now. We'll see by 1 o'clock about 76, 75 through 4 p.m. And you can see again mainly gray skies even through 10 o'clock, staying muggy, 70 degrees and staying gray, at least for now. All right, let's check in for now and see where the slowdowns are currently. What's going on, Adele?
Well, we've got a mix of things, slowdowns on the rails and the
Long Island beaches, including at Coney Island. Right now, weather-wise, otherwise, pretty quiet. We see some spotty showers, especially through eastern and central Pennsylvania, but dry for the most part in our area. Just looking at those gray skies. This is a look from our New York State Mesonet network of weather stations out of Somers in Westchester County. You can see it looks pretty there with some of the wildflowers, but yeah, gray is the color for the sky. And that includes through later on this morning. We're at 71 right now. That east flow keeping us kind of gray and muggy by 10 a.m. Just 72 degrees. Not much warmer for the afternoon. I think at best about 76 degrees for the city around lunchtime. And then as we get into the late afternoon and evening, you see again mainly gray skies, but so far not tracking big areas of rainfall. That may change though as we get into Tuesday and Wednesday. More on that in a bit. Let's get you out the door right now because we do have some slowdowns you're watching. Adele, what's going on?
if you're heading around up north, it's going to be a bit of a tough go here on the Taconic.